Sydney, are you ready?
I'm not ready.
Sydney didn't want to go.
He's a food dude. Yeah.
So we're about to play cards. We didn't start the fire.
We're on a canoe. So we're on a canoe right now. I can't believe we're actually making a video. This is supposed to be electronics free and you're making a video. Patty, Elliot, that guy, Sydney, me,
For your YouTube?
Yep. So we have some French toast with honey and cinnamon sugar.